Alright, part 2 of Topps Unique. I'm guessing 12 packs to go, and I guess right. Again, it's 1:15 Christmas morning. Alright, so let's see what we got. Manny Ramirez, Mr. 50 game suspension himself. Zambaro, Freddie Sanchez, Carlos Delgado, Derek Jeter, world champ. Amir Santos rookie short print, $11.99, and another rookie in this pack of Bud Norris, numbered to $26.99. Real short tops. Alright, so another rookie dummy. Jacob Ellsbury, Prince Fielder, Jay Bruce, Josh Beckett, Matt Cain for your Giants fans. Short print is Garrett Anderson, $11.99. Rookie card, Andrew McCutchen, $26.99. Alright. So then we've got Todd Hilton, Gary Sheffield, Cruz, Carlos Gullen, Lance Berkman. We've got Jose Lopez, $11.99, and a rookie, Chris Tillman for the Orioles, numbered to $26.99. Alright. Aaron Howard, Brandon Phillips, Jason Giambi. Didn't realise he was still playing. Jason Giambi. Scott Kazmir, Aaron Hill. The short print is Kosuke Fukudomi, $11.99 of course. And then we've got a unique unis, Jason Giambi. Well, guess I'm wrong. I guess he is still playing. Now, if you want to see some case hits on this product, check out the Topps Rip Party vid. Obviously on Topps Rip Party on YouTube. They get a nice button card on that. Lester, Robinson Cano, Upton, Kurt Suzuki, Max Scherzer. And we got Braden Looper, $11.99, and then 54 of 99, Nelson Cruz. I'm guessing this is some kind of brown or orange or bronze insert. Short printed 99 there. Unusual card. Next pack. Corey Hart, Hanley Ramirez, Carlos Lee, Garrett Anderson, Adam Dunn. We've got a rookie short print of Travis Sander, $11.99. And unique unis of Ryan Zimmerman. 6 packs to go. Alright, so we got Carlos Beltran, Ken Griffey Jr., Johnny Cueto, Kosuke Ikadome, Carlos Quentin. Then we got a short print of Bud Norris, $11.99. And then a Joba Chamberlain, numbered 9 of 99. It's quite a low number there for a world champion, of course. It's quite a nice card to get, I guess. Pretty pleased with that one. Alright. So, we could have a case hit here. Not sure what that's going to be, but that's nice and thick. So, I'll move that one to the side, YouTube, and we'll come back to that pack because that looks pretty darn exciting. I could be wrong, of course, could just be a simple patch, but you know, leave the excitement to last. Jared Spann, Ian Kinsler, Cantu, Cliff Lee, David Wright, and Evan Longoria short print to $11.99. And we've got our rookie, $26.99, Matt Laporta. 3 packs left, and the hit still to come. Try not to bump the table so I don't see who it is. Alright, so we've got Rick Ankel, AJ Burnett, world champion. Vernon Wells, Alfonso Soriano, A-Royd. Trust me guys, there's nothing wrong with steroids. Get on them if you can. Aramis Ramirez, number 11.99, and oh, nice insert. Tim Lincecum alone at the top to strikeout leader. So obviously going for most Ks. 2008 he had 265. I got that from the back. I'm not a genius like that, but I do collect Lincecum. Alright, so we got Jake Peavy, Alex Gordon, Calvin Mora, Michael Young, Mike Pelfrey. Short print, Trevor Cahill rookie, 11.99. Unparalleled performance, Mariano Rivera. That last pack before we go back to the hit. Hoping it's a case hit, of course. What do we got here? Jose Reyes, Ordonez, Evan Longoria base, Joey Votto, Cole Hamels. Short print, Manny Ramirez, 11.99, Yahoo. And our rookie is Alvaro Aceves, 26.99. Alright, let's check out this hit. So, it's thick. We've got David Price, Hanley Ramirez base, Carlos Lee base, and what do we got? I don't know how good that's coming out. So it's a prime patch, Torrey Hunter for the Minnesota Twins. That's a big, thick patch, numbered 43 of 99. Nice, well, it looks like a 3-color patch, but there's also some pinstripe to go with that. So, yeah, it's a really nice patch on that one. Very, very pleased with that. Alright, so Topps Uniques, thanks again, BMMCARDS, the price was hot. Hoping to buy from you again, mate. Thanks, YouTube.